Again, another incident again at my apartment. I always get unlucky with the people that stay on my apartment. One guy said, it's not, I think 2 weeks ago, it's not so long ago, I had gone upstairs to check on my laundry. So there are no lights upstairs. Then one guy followed me. Then I don't know if he did it on purpose or it was by mistake, as he claims. His zipper was open and his privates were out. So he started touching my clothes. So I thought maybe he's looking for his clothes. So I had to approach him, excuse me, are you looking for your clothes? Because these are all my clothes. There were no clothes when I put my laundry here. Then he was like, I'm looking for my trousers. So because there was no light, I had to switch on the torch. So by switching on the torch, I discovered everything was exposed. So I got alarmed. I got really alarmed because if there's one thing I don't like, I would rather get beaten by localized than getting raped. So
is that a fear that has come on?
Yeah, because when I came to India, I read about the India's daughter Jyoti issue. It got me very traumatized, so I'm really scared. So I got so alarmed. He realized that I noticed that everything was exposed. Then he went downstairs. So when he went downstairs, we sort of have a screen door at the rooftop. So I banged the rooftop in his face to show that if you try anything, I'm going to be violent. He came back again. Then this time around, he was staying close to the door so that when I go down, I have to squeeze. Like I have to tell him to move or I have to squeeze myself. I was with my other friend. So we didn't say anything. We squeezed ourselves because clearly he was supposed to use common sense. These are women. I'm supposed to keep weight, but then he didn't. He deliberately said they. We went downstairs and again I banged the screen door at his face. So the next day I called my landlord, but then he didn't come that day. He came, I think after 2 days. We went to his room. The landlord explained to him like my own side of the story, but then he started saying it's a mistake. I didn't know. The thing is, I always wear those rapers that. So when I wore my trousers, I didn't realize everything is exposed. So I was like, okay, how can you not know? How can you not know? He started crying, and the worst thing is he's from my college. I'm very good with faces.
He's from your college?
Yeah, he's from my college, and I'm very good with faces. Even if I meet you after 3 weeks, I can still remember. You can forget your name, but I'm very good with faces. But then I remembered, I know you from my college, I know you. So I threatened him, I'm going to the management, I'm going to get you expelled. Then he started crying. He said it was a mistake, I'll never do it intentionally. His relatives actually came to our apartment to apologize on his behalf. Now he's still there, but then when he sees me, he gives way or goes a different direction until I go up. So, but then the localites that stay in my area, I cannot say they're bad. They're actually interested to know about us. Even if I change my hairstyle, they're actually so keen to touch, okay, is this an extension, something like that. But then when it's beyond my area, they are not enlightened. Like the way they look at us, it's like, at first I used to think maybe it's their first time to see an African, but then it keeps going on. It keeps going on. Even if you, like you were saying, if you try to buy something, one person was buying 1 kg tomatoes, 10 rupees, they'll try to sell it 40 rupees for you. So if you are not smart, you can actually pay and go. You can actually pay and go. But then even some of the people in my area, they actually enlighten us, like shed more light to us. When you go to this shop, be careful. Don't go out this time. There's actually one old buyer that stays around my area. He's like a father to me. He's like a dad. He's like a dad. So usually even if he sees me walking alone, he's really concerned. He gives me that look, like, you're a girl, where are you going this time? So I only face problems with the localites beyond my area, but when it comes to my area, it's like a friend, family zone.